Okay, for this video, I wanted to cover the IRS Letter 6419 and some of the issues that we are already seeing this early on in tax season. Now, the 6419 letter is attributed to the Advanced Child Tax Credit. This was implemented in 2021, and the idea was this was supposed to give parents an advance on their child tax credit that they would otherwise be eligible for at the end of the year when they file their taxes. Now, the advanced child tax credit varied in amounts. Deposits were supposed to happen starting in July or August. And the idea here is that if you received an advanced portion of your credit, the amount that you received is supposed to be reflected on the 6419. So taxpayers need this letter in front of them because they want to make sure that the amount reported on the 6419 matches what they actually received in cash payments, okay? And the 6419 amount is important because on the 8812, the child tax credit computation form, you have to disclose or report the amount of advance credit you received on the 6419. Now, here are the issues we're seeing already. The first one is taxpayers never get the letter, right? Obviously, this is a problem. If you received a 6419 letter, or sorry, if you received an advanced child tax credit, you have an advance payment during the year, you should get a letter. And so I'm seeing a lot of clients already that know they received advance payments, but they're not getting a 6419 letter. So now the issue is, well, how do I complete my 8812 form if I don't have the letter? If you're in this position, unfortunately, you've got to call the IRS. Call the IRS, speak with a representative, find out what happened with the letter. Did it get sent to an old address? Is it just lost? Because you have to confirm what amount was reported on the 6419 in order to complete the 8812 and claim the full child tax credit. Now, here's an even bigger issue. The amounts reported on the letter don't match the actual cash received. So I'm also seeing clients that are getting a 6419, but the amount reported on the letter does not match the amount of actual cash that they got deposited into their bank account. So, for example, let's say John, he got $1,000 in advanced child tax credit payments, and the 6419 is showing he had $1,800. So wait a minute, I'm missing $800. Well, this is obviously a problem because John is supposed to be reporting the full amount on the 6419, but he's still missing $800 in advance credit, which he never received. Same issue is presented here. We have to contact the IRS, try to figure out what's going on. So, what are your options here? What do we recommend? Well, the instructions are not helpful. The instructions simply state that the amount of the advance credit on the 6419 should be reported on the Form 8812. It's got to match. Then they also say in the instructions, if it doesn't match, call the IRS. So if we look at the 8812, there is no mechanism right now to try to reconcile what's reported on 6419 versus what we actually got. So our only option really is to call the IRS and try to figure out what's going on. My recommendation is just to not file your return yet. Wait to file your return until we receive some guidance from the IRS, maybe some updated forms. The thing is, it's only January, it's still early enough. They might come up with a solution that's a little easier to work with. But yeah, if you file your tax return and you have a mismatch between what's reported on the 6419, what you actually received in cash, your return is going to get rejected or it's going to get put on hold. You're not going to get your refund anyway. And so because you're not going to get your refund anyway, I recommend going on extension. Go on extension, let's wait a little bit for the dust to settle, figure out what's going on, and then we can move forward from there. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions on these advanced child tax credits, send me a message, book a consult, happy to help wherever I can. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.